Okay, class. Our next lesson is changes in the states of matter. By the end of this lesson, the pupil should be able to first recall the three states of matter. Second, explain how matter changes states when heated or cold. Third, describe and give real-life example of melting, freezing, evaporation, and condensation. And last, actively participate in class activities to demonstrate understanding. Before we move on, let's review what we learned yesterday. Who remembers what matters? Very good. Matter comes in three states. Can you tell me what they are? Excellent. Let's remember their properties. Solids, they keep their shape. For example, chair, pencil, and shoes. Next, liquid. They take the shape of their container. For example, water, milk, and juice. And last, gases. You can see them, but they're all around us. For example, air. Okay, class, let's have a quick activity. I'll see an object. You shout the states of matter. Are you ready? First, book. Correct. Book is a solid matter. Next, orange juice. Correct. Orange juice is a liquid matter. Next, air inside a balloon. Very good. Air inside a balloon is a gas matter. Next, ice cube. Correct. Ice cube is a solid matter. And last, steam from boiling rice. Wow! Very good! Steam from boiling rice is a gas matter. Great! Now, let's see how matter can change from one state to another. Okay, class? Matter doesn't always stay in the same state. With heat or cold, it can change. These changes happen around us every day. First is melting. Melting is the process by which a solid changes into a liquid due to the application of heat. When heat is added, the particles in the solid move faster and start to slide past to each other, turning into a liquid. Here's an example. First, an ice cube melting into water. Second, butter softening in a hot pan. Next, ice cream melting on a warm day. Number 2 is freezing. Freezing is when a liquid changes into a solid because it loses heat and becomes cold. When the temperature goes down, particles slow down and lock together, forming a solid. Example: water is turning into a ice cubes in the freezer. Second, making ice candy. And last, Juice is becoming popsicles. The third one is evaporation. Evaporation is when a liquid changes into a gas because of heat. Heat gives energy to the particles of a liquid and they escape into the air as a gas. Examples: wet clothes drying in the sun. Next, a puddle disappearing after the rain. Last, water boiling and releasing steam. The last one is condensation. Condensation is when a gas changes into a liquid when it cools down. When gas particles lose heat, they slow down and come together to form a liquid. Examples: water droplets are forming outside a cold glass of water. Next, fogging up eyeglasses when you come from outside into an air conditioned room. And last, dew forms on leaves early in the morning. Okay, class, let's have a game. I'll describe a situation and you tell me if it's melting, freezing, evaporation, or condensation. Are you ready? Number 1. Butter turning soft on a hot pan. Correct, that's melting. Number 2. Juice turning into a popsicle. That's right, freezing. Number 3. Wet clothes drying in the sun. Very good, that's evaporation. Number 4. Water droplets outside a cold glass. That's right, that's condensation. Okay, class, let's have a short review. When melting, solid turns liquid with heat added. Next is freezing. Liquid turns solid when heat is removed. Next, evaporation. Liquid turns gas when heat is added. And last, condensation. Gas turns liquid when heat is removed. So, class, always remember that matter changes when heat is added or removed. Heat makes particles move faster, while cold makes them slow down. That's why ice melts, water freezes, clothes dry, and glasses sweat. Great job, class! You did very well in learning about matter and its three states, as well as how it changes through melting, freezing, evaporation, and condensation. Next time, we'll continue exploring more exciting science lessons together. Until then, keep observing and asking questions about the things around you. That's how real scientists are made.